Okay, good evening. My name is Tim Robinson, and I'm just so blessed to be here. This is my third meeting with 50 Hoops with the Sanders, and I just wanted to just leave one point. I'm a prostate cancer survivor, 2 years, August, and I'm so grateful to God for being here. So one point I just want to make to all men or anyone with cancer is to educate and get pre-screened. Thank you very much.
Are we ready now? Yes. Hi, my name is Lee Patterson, and I've been supporting the 50 Hoops for quite a while now. And little did I know that once I started supporting them, that I would be a cancer victim also. So I am now a cancer survivor of 5 years now. So one of the things I wanted to do after my diagnosis was share this with as many people as I can. And I've talked to a lot of the brothers at our church, and we've been a great help in helping each other. So I will continue to support 50 Hoops, because this is a thing that God has allowed us to do. Once He cures us of something, then we can tell the world about that with our own testimony. So thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Katrina. I am so happy about this organization bringing awareness to the community. This is what we actually need in this world today. So thank you for everything that you guys are doing.
Hi, my name is First Lady Ramona Derrick, and my husband was one of the presenters here. Let me just tell you that the information was powerful for me. I believe people do better when they know better. So with these types of information or events, it actually goes over throughout the community. It only takes one customer that is satisfied to tell thousands. So guess what? I'm a satisfied customer. Thank you so much.
My name is Catherine Smith, and this is my first time coming to the 50 Hoops event. This was really spectacular. Community coming together, powerful, diverse panel, and just great information. Certainly took away a lot of information that I hope to take back to the community. So I can't wait for the next event, and we're going to do this. We're really going to get information out to the community. Okay.
Hello, my name is Christine. I'm a research nurse with Baylor Scott and White Health in Dallas, Texas. I'd just like to say that I'm very grateful that I had the opportunity to attend this event. It was very refreshing listening to other healthcare professionals talk about the trials that they encounter enrolling participants onto their trials, and also to hear solutions that were offered to help increase the enrollment on clinical trials serving African Americans and also the Hispanic population. I would like to see this event continue in the future, and I just hope that I can be a part of it and also help to enroll more people in these populations in the area in which I serve. Thank you.
Am I right? Hi, my name is Lisa Carson. I work for the Texas Health Physician Group. I'm the clinical research supervisor. I really did enjoy this event. This is the first time I have come to a 50 Hoops event on recruiting African Americans and Hispanics. So this was a very eye-opening experience. I hope to learn more in the future by working more with this organization, and I really enjoyed my time here. Thank you.